Your enhanced salary is going to decrease and you are just not aware about it. I know you must have heard this from many people in these couple of days, but you're not sure what they are talking about. So, this video is for you. Hi, guys, this is the Finance Lens, and today we are going to decode the new labor codes, which were earlier 29 and now have been reduced to 4. So, the first code is Code on Wages. Earlier, wages की कोई definition नहीं थी, तो basic salary को low रखते थे ताकि PF भी low हो और enhanced salary ज़्यादा हो जाए. But now, the government has brought one uniform definition of wages, and the basic salary should be 50% of the CTC or more, as a result of which PF और gratuity जो है वो बढ़ जाएगा और जो enhanced salary है वो कम हो जाएगी. The second code is सोशल सिक्योरिटी कोड. अर्लियर गिग और प्लेटफॉर्म वर्कर्स जो थे वो कहीं भी लेबर लॉस के अंडर कवर्ड नहीं थे. इवन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वर्कर्स वो पार्शियली प्रोटेक्टेड और ग्रेचुटी इन लोगों को 5 साल के बाद ही मिलती थी. बट नाउ ऑल द बेनिफिट्स हैव बीन गिवन टू देम including PF, ESI, pension, gratuity, while fixed term employment gratuity is 1 year, which may extend to 2 years as well. The third code is Industrial Relation Code. Earlier, hiring and firing approval was needed by the government as soon as your company has more than 100 employees. And there was lower dispute resolution, but now the approval threshold has been increased from 100 to 300 and there is faster dispute resolution. The fourth code is OSH, that is Occupational Safety and Health. Earlier, there were 13 acts for safety, hours, overtime facilities, multiple licenses, returns, registrations, but now there is a unified standard for working hours, overtime, leave and safety, and there is single license, single registration and single return. So basically the key takeaways are that your enhanced salary is going to decrease, but your PF gratuity is going to increase. The gratuity has been reduced from 5 years to 1 year for fixed term employees, and gig or contract workforce have been formalized, which is 80 lakh in India. The payroll forecasting is more consistent. So this is all what we have learned from the labor laws today. Bye bye. Do follow for more.